Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And if you do enjoy this video, make sure to get a thumbs up. On the screen are today's shoutouts. Thank you all so much for your comments and your support. If you also want a shout out, all you have to do is subscribe and turn notifications on with the first 20 people to comment hashtag #ChillFicationSquad once you've done that. In today's video, I'll be doing a Dollar Tree fidget haul. I found so many Poppets at Dollar Tree and tons of other fidgets. If you guys would like to check out me shopping at Dollar Tree, check out my last video. It will be linked down below in the description box or in the card right over there. Now without any further ado, let's go ahead and open these fidgets. I honestly don't know where to begin. Right here I have this bag filled with purely Poppets. I only have Poppets in this bag. And then in this bag I have a bunch of just other fidgets. I think I'll save the Poppets for last. And we'll start off with this bag right over here. 3, 2, 1, let's dump these bad boys out. Oh gosh. Oh no, oh my gosh, I almost fell on the floor. Guys, we have so much stuff right here. So let's begin. Start off with these things. Honestly, I don't know what they're called. They're called squishy toys. So right here we have these shaggy snakes that are sort of like stress balls. Look, you can squish them. They're super cool. I love the vibrant colors. They're all neon-y. And I love to like pull these spikes they have. They all actually have different faces. This one is angry, which makes sense since it's like orange. It's kind of like a stress ball because you can go like that. You can like swirl it. I really like these. This is super good deal. $1 for these. They're the Three Musketeers. I rate these a 10 out of 10. Now moving on, right here I have some Slinkies. This one is like this sort of aqua metallic effect. Go ahead and open this. Whoa. This one is so pretty. Look at these colors. They're super metallic and like inside it's black, making it look super sort of like a little bit evil and like magical. I really like this. 10 out of 10 as well. It is not cheaply made at all. The colors are super pretty, and yeah, I love this. Now let's move on to these Slinkies. It actually comes with in a 4-pack. They do have like sort of similar colors, but these ones are like smaller. Go Dollar Tree. Like their game has definitely been up recently. Right here we have this one. Whoa, super nice. This one is sort of like light and it's easier to like move, while this one is a little bit more stiff. It has these like gold colors and it's a little bit like shiny. It has these little sparkles in it. So I think, yeah, all of these Slinkies are exactly the same. Maybe this one has a slightly different color pattern. Love these Slinkies, also 10 out of 10. So far, not a single bad fidget. Now we have these 2 Rubiks Cubes. Here I have this one. It has hearts on all sides. It's super holographic. You guys look at that. So gorgeous. I don't know how well they like twist and stuff. Then right here we have this one. It's like inspired by a deck of cards. I've never seen a Rubiks Cube like this. Super unique and exotic. Oh, let's open it. Wow, that was the first time I was able to open something so easily. Oh my gosh, it looks fresh. Oh, let's twist it. Let's start off with this side. Whoa. Oh my gosh, you guys. It's actually not as bad as I thought. It gets stuck pretty easily, but for a $1 to a Rubiks Cube, this is pretty good. I really don't want to get this mixed up because I'm not that good at solving these Rubiks Cubes. You guys, I love this. This is epic. I'm gonna rate this Rubiks Cube a 9.5 out of 10. I love the design. It's just I'm taking a little bit of points off because of like it's a little hard to twist sometimes. Let's open the heart one. Compared to this one, it's a little bit more basic. And there we go. You guys, I love this color. This pink is so pretty. And this yellow. Oh my gosh. You guys, this is literally like a gem. So this one, I think actually twists better than the other one. It sort of twists better. Oh no, actually, take that back. Look at it. It's actually stuck. It's actually worse. It's literally stuck right here. And I physically can't move it. This one is a little bit problematic. I'm gonna rate this one an 8 out of 10. This one gets stuck a lot and it is a little bit more basic. If you want some epic legendary Rubiks Cubes, definitely go to Dollar Tree. These are really nice and good deal. You guys have been probably like looking at these Right here, Dollar Tree has pop tubes. Can you believe it? 2 pop tubes for $1, which means 1 is 50 cents. Right here at 4, they come with different combo packs. Here are the colors. There's purple, yellow, green, and blue. Let's open them up. I'm so excited. Here, let's go for this one first. Oh my gosh, guys, I can't wait. They're so adorable. They're literally mini. Oh my gosh, you guys. I've never had a mini one. I only have like those big ones. Okay, whoa. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love this. I cannot believe that this one was only 50 cents since there's 2. Whoa, you guys, this is really, really good quality. It's really easy to like push back together. Okay, now let's make into a bracelet. It's special. Look, this side is smaller, so you can put it in. Love that. You guys, Dollar Tree even has fidget jewelry. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's open this. Does not disappoint. This did not disappoint. Love this so much. Guys, out of these 4 colors, comment below which one is your favorite. Mine is probably the purple or yellow. Okay, now let's open this. Whoa, you guys. These are so cool. Let's do 2 at the same time. Oh, love that. Beautiful. We can even make like a little rainbow. Pop tube rainbow. Isn't that nice? Look at this rainbow. Isn't that lovely? You guys, 10 out of 10. You know what? Not even 10 out of 10. 11 out of 10. This price cannot be beat. I don't know where you can find 2 pop tubes for $1 and these epic, amazing colors that turn into bracelets. Freaking bracelets. This is honestly out of this world. Like, you guys need these in your lives. If you had to get one thing from Dollar Tree so far, you definitely have to get this. Now, I'm going to keep these on for the rest of the video. Let's check out the other fidgets. So right here we have these 2 putties. They're crystal clear putties, and I couldn't wait. I already opened this one earlier because I really want to test it out. This is like this glassy clear. It reminds me of like the ocean. And I played with it and it's still crystal clear. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Magical. Literally magical. And inside it even has this little charm. Come on, light up. Oh, boom. And look at that, it lights up in the slime. Oh, well, that just kind of failed. The slime is pretty nice. It is so, so pretty, but it isn't the stretchiest, which is expected of a store-bought slime. Okay, be right back. Let me pick that thing up. The thing isn't really that nice in the slime, the charm, but it is just really pretty. So I'm going to rate this like a 9 or an 8.5 out of 10 because the slime is a little rippy, like a disco ball. Okay, now let's open the pink one. Whoa, okay. And as you see, like the glitters kind of like are on one side and that makes it even cooler. Hey guys, watch how clear this is. Oh my, there's a bubble. Oh my gosh. Well, that thing had to fall, ruin the ASMR, but look how clear this thing is. You guys, I don't even know how Dollar Tree slimes got this clear. They used to be like sort of foggy. So I will say this light fits better in this slime than in the pink one. I'm gonna rate this also an 8.5 out of 10. The texture is the same, it's still pretty rippy, but it's just really nice sort of to like hold like this. Let's see if it pokes. Nah, not really. So yeah, 8 out of 10. Okay, now let's see what else we haven't opened. You guys, make sure to check out my last video where I shopped for all of the stuff at Dollar Tree. You do not want to miss out. It will be linked down below. Watch it right after this. So right here we have these 2 stress balls. We actually got them from the Dollar Tree vending machines. This one was 75 cents. They're actually both 75 cents. They come in these little cute containers, like with these caps. Okay, let's start with this one. Oh my gosh, that opens so easily. These things usually are so hard to open. So right here we have this like sort of silver white stress ball and it has like purple glitters in it. I don't know what this is, this like extra tail. Okay, let's squish it. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, that's really good. You guys, I love that they're actually small. Like when they're small, it's perfect for hand size. So if you have small hands, this is really good for you. Okay, now I'm so excited for the pink one. Plus, I'm gonna give them bonus points for the color combo. I love when yellow and pink has a combination together. Oh, okay. Whoa. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. This shade of pink is so pretty, and when it squishes out like this, This is like the prettiest pink I've ever seen. It's like slightly magenta. Like 11 out of 10. This is gorgeous. Gorgeous, literally. I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like the pink one is bigger than the clear one. Yeah, if you look at it, it is slightly bigger. Both of these are amazing. 10 out of 10. Dollar Tree still did not disappoint. Okay, then I also have this thing. It's like a fidget spinner. I got it also from the vending machines. It was 75 cents. Oh, it's actually pretty good. It spins nicely. You know what? I like this a lot. Kind of plain, and you can't like balance it on one finger. So I'm gonna rate this an 8 out of 10. Oh, here is the only disappointing thing from Dollar Tree. If you guys watched my fidget shopping video, I went from this certain vending machine and did it like 3 times. And all of the stuff there was sort of bad. But yeah, I got this shark. Look at that. And just saying, I literally scratched myself opening this. This little, it's like this shark bit me. I have this scratch right here. It still didn't heal because of trying to open this stupid box. How dare you? Anyway, I really don't want to scratch myself again, so I'll try my best to open it. Yeah, guys. Oh, come on, come off. Be right back. Y'all, I got it, and I kind of lost a tiny piece of my nail polish, but you know what? I got it open. That's all that matters. This container, okay, that was really annoying. I hated that container. So right here we have this little shark. At first I thought maybe it's a mochi, but it's just like a you guys, yeah, I kind of just ripped the tail off. But you know what? That's what you deserve. You literally gave me a scratch that really hurt. But anyways, there's this shark right here. I thought it was a mochi, but it's actually a piece of rubber, and it's really bad. Like, it even, I'm pretty sure, like, dyes your hands blue if you hold it for too long. But this literally 0 out of 10. This is the only thing that disappoints. It doesn't even deserve to be on here. Oh, this thing. This is actually really nice. It's a fidget spinner, and I got it from the vending machines. It's a super adorable mini fidget spinner with this neon yellow. Love that. Oh, listen to the noise. Do y'all hear that? That noise is so satisfying. I love this mini fidget spinner. Like, it's so good. 10 out of 10, really, really good. Also was 75 cents though, which seems a little bit more expensive, but it's a really good fidget spinner. I love that. Let's see, what did I not review here? I think, oh, these Model Magics. Okay, so I don't really want to open them because they will dry out. You can like feel it sort of. It's a really good like clay, and I got this for $1. I think this is really good. Probably gonna rate this like a 10 out of 10. It has really beautiful, vibrant colors, and it's like fidget clay. These were all of like the fidgets I got that weren't Poppets. But you guys, don't forget, I literally have an entire bag of Poppets that are awaiting to be opened. This video is going really well so far. I'm gonna set these aside and we are gonna move on to the juicy part, the part you guys have been waiting for, the Poppets. Dun 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 dun, the moment you guys have been all waiting for. By the way, I don't know if you guys haven't noticed, but I'm committed. I'm wearing my Pop jewelry, the Pop Tube jewelry, and yeah, for the entire video. Okie dokie, artichoke, let's open this. Dump this out, I mean. Y'all, there's so many Poppets here. I don't even know how many there are. I didn't count them. Yeah, there's a lot. Just saying, if you went to Dollar Tree and there were no Poppets left, that may have been me because I kind of took all of them. Okay, let's check them out. So let's sort them by shape first. So right here are all the circular Poppets. So right here we have 3 circular ones, 4 square ones. I wish there were more hot pink Poppets, but there's only one, unfortunately. This dinosaur T-Rex. And you guys, I thought these were dogs, but I'm not even sure what they are anymore. And then this octopus. So let's start off with the squares with the hot pink one. Okay, I'm gonna open this. Okay, so someone already popped some in the bubble somehow. Not that bad, but as you see, they kind of pop back up. This is also the bad side, by the way. Now for the good side. Okay, guys, moment of truth. You know what? I vibe with this Poppet. It's good. The color is really great. Overall, I'm gonna rate this Poppet, I think, like an 8 out of 10. I don't know where you can buy a Poppet for $1. Like at Learning Express, this thing is like 10 bucks. Now let's try a circular Poppet. We're gonna go for the yellow. Maybe it's a little bit different than this one, the square. There we go. Okay, this is the bad side. Let's see, maybe it's better. Oh, it's actually even worse. But I love this yellow color. I gotta say, their colors are on point though. So the bad side wasn't that great. Now for the good side. Ooh, love that. I am gonna rate this Poppet a 9 out of 10. It is just like, I don't know, this Poppet like gives me like really clean vibes. It just looks really nice and presentable. I love this like yellow neon color. The good side is really good. So I'm gonna rate this one a 9 out of 10. Now let's see. Let's open this. I honestly don't know what this is. You guys comment down below. So let's open that. I've never seen anything in this shape before. Wait, is that a horn? You guys, I think this is a unicorn. Look at that. I've actually never seen something like this. Wait, you guys, I don't know if it's just me. This one is actually different than the other Poppets. This one is slightly glossy on the bad side, whereas these are like matte. And actually, this one pops really well. Now let's see the good side. I don't even know how to pop this. Like, I guess with one finger. Oh my gosh, this is really good. Like, this is really good. I'm rating this a 10 out of 10. Really nice color, and it pops really well. Like, both sides are good. Rating this 10 out of 10. Maybe it's better because it's magical because it's a unicorn. Then we have this green unicorn. I'm not going to open it yet, but we're going to open this green octopus. I'm not sure. Guys, comment below what you think. I believe this is an octopus. Unfortunately, this thing doesn't have a label anywhere, so I sort of have to guess. But it looks like an octopus to me. I think this one is also glossy too. It's like the unicorn. Whoa. This is even better than this one. Oh my god, I love this. I don't know what this hole is for, but you can, I think, put like another fidget there. Look at that. Okay, now for the good side.
Whoa.
Very good, 10 out of 10. The pops on these are solid. They're like perfect. Just like any good quality Poppet you'd find anywhere else. Top of the food chain, the T-Rex. Looks like the pops are matte, so I'm not sure if it'll be as good. Yeah, they're a little harder to pop. They're harder to pop. This one isn't as good as in like the pops. Out of all of the Poppets we opened, the T-Rex is probably the worst because even the good side doesn't make up for it. Unfortunately, the T-Rex, I'm gonna have to rate you a 7 out of 10. But yeah, here were all of the Poppets. I did see that there was this like star rainbow. There were 0 in stock though, and I wasn't able to get it. But you guys should definitely go to Dollar Tree. Comment down below if you've been to Dollar Tree and if you found any fidgets there or Poppets. But I definitely saw there was like this rainbow star there. So in conclusion, Dollar Tree really did step up their game. When I went into Dollar Tree, I did not expect finding this many fidgets. Like, honestly, I did not expect any of this. I'm really stoked that they had these fidgets. You guys should definitely hit up your local Dollar Tree, check out if they have fidgets, and let me know in the comments if you find any fidgets there. So that's pretty much it for this video. I really hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to get a thumbs up, and it'd be super duper awesome if you'd subscribe. Make sure to check out the Dollar Tree shopping video if you guys haven't seen that yet. And also check out my slime shop if you want to buy some high quality slime. I love y'all so much, and I will see you in my next video.